Hey everyone, welcome to Tea Time with Bev. Alright, so for today I just wanted to come on here and share with you this hair growth oil that I made for my hair. As you can see, I have my hair in braids. I washed it, deep conditioned it, and then I braided it up. And what I've been doing is that I've been using the oil, this oil, and I've been using it to like massage my scalp, and that's because I have a few breakage like right here at the front of my hair, and I noticed I had that after I took out my braids. Last time I did get the braids really long, and even though the person who did my hair, she didn't braid it tight, when I went to remove the braids, my hair kind of came along with it. So I saw like some like spots where like there was like, you know, very little hair. So I think because I got it braided so long and it was so heavy, it broke my hair. So I'm kind of staying away from braids, from wigs. So all I'm doing is that I have been braiding my hair, no extensions added. And what I do is that I will take out the braid, like after a few days, I'll take out the braid and I'll massage the oil on my scalp and then throughout the hair. So I've done a few of my hair, so I'm gonna demonstrate how I use the massage oil, and then I'm also gonna go over the ingredients that I used. So how I made the oil was very simple. I used rosemary oil, peppermint, lavender, tea tree oil, and for the carrier oils I use castor oil, grapeseed, and a little bit of pumpkin seed oil. And those are the oils that I have mixed in here. And another thing too that I added to this was bamboo extract. And this was the brand that I use, bamboo extract. There's so many different brands out there. You can give this a try. It is optional. Like I said, the essential oils and the carrier oils that I mentioned, all of them promote hair growth. So you can just use just those oils and massage your scalp if you're suffering from breakage, or if you have like a bald spot and you're trying to grow your hair back out. But the bamboo powder does grow hair and it's very effective. I've been using it for a while now. So I mix a bit in my oils in there. It's in my oil as well. So you can give that a try if you want. So I went ahead and put all the oils in here and then I just shook it up. I will go ahead and list all of the oils in the description box below so you know exactly what I use. Alright, and you can gauge. I didn't measure, I just, you know, use what I thought I needed. So for example, I really like rosemary oil. It is known to promote hair growth, and I also like peppermint oil because it stimulates the scalp. So I use more of those oils, and then I use a lot of castor oil. So you kind of gauge which oils you feel like will be more beneficial. I also encourage you to kind of do your own research and look into these oils as well. And I would take some of my oil and then I would put it in the massage. Then I'll bring the oil down. And that is all that I do. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you next time.